Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Vivo TWS 3E. And to do this we need to use Android device because by default you cannot call your voice assistant, so we need to add it for the gesture. The problem is the application do not available for your iPhone, only for Android device. So you need to open Vivo Earphones application on your Android, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down and go to shortcut actions. And right here we can add to call Siri only for the double press. So select you want to use the left or right earbuds. You can also use both of them. I'm going to use the left one and tap at the best one for you. Right here we need to select Wake Up Voice Assistant, and after that let me disconnect it from my Android device, and now it connected only to iOS, right? So I need to make double press on my left earbud. The touch area is located at the top. 1, 2. Okay, maybe I will put it to my ear. Now, as you can see, I just call it, so this one is only option. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.